Okay, so Britain, is there any special model here or not?
Yes. Here, as you can see, this is a racket.
Yeah, that
Yes,
kind.
but it's a little special.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. This racket is used for many cars.
Yes.
Yes. So
But why? How special?
yes, you can see.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, we can say if compare with this racket, this black one, 4 screw from here to the end, 4 screw. But why?
Yes, because as I said, this racket can use for many cars,
Yeah.
and when you use it, you can cut
Okay.
it as you wishes.
Wow.
So because of the racket,
Mm.
only focus at the head size and the
Okay.
link size.
Okay.
So
Mr. Brett means for the racket, yearning will focus on the screw size and the length. So this one is universal type. The customer can cut the size.
yes.
Yeah, keep the length for their needs.